Hello, here is Night 447. Today I'll show more few things about the enemy spawner. So let's begin. Well, I have my spawner here that I test. So let's see. Let's make some changes. If I want to set up the delay on the first spawn, I will fold in here, click my first spawner here, and I search delay. Then I had the first spawn delay. If I increase this number, when I reach this spawner here, the enemies will delay in 5 seconds in this case. I'll play. You can see now that when I reach the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there we are. 5 seconds to spawn the first wave. The second wave appears instantly. Well, but I can let me get rid of this first spawn delay, and I put in wave delay. I'll put some 3 seconds. Play. The first delay is 0. There we are. And the wave is delay is 3 seconds. So when I beat this shutter here, 3 seconds will be counted. 1, 2, 3. There we are. And okay. Let me put. I'll keep this way. So another thing is the ability to play on animation sequence. So I will create a sequence in here. Let me go to add level sequence. I'll find some folder, beaten up. Let me see. I'll create a folder here. New folder, level sequence. I'll save my level sequence here. I'll put the name alias box move. Okay, now I'll add some things in my sequencer. I'll put this cube right here, and I'll edit it. I'll make some kind of wall. It's good for me. Let me see. Okay, I'll put it in here because I want to animate it with my sequence. Remember that you can do anything you want with your sequence. I just making this box, this gate, this thing here because I want to. I will add this to my sequencer, and I will put the start transform. Let me see. I'll put it in seconds. How I put it in seconds again? Show time as seconds. Okay, I want 2 seconds good for me. And here I'll make my another. Okay, it's already animated because it's auto key is on. I'll finish it in here. I'll save. Now I can close my sequence. So I have my spawner and I have a sequence to reference. It is the box move sequence, and I pick my spawner here, and I found my sequence to play. Let me see. Sequence to play. I'll put here, or I can pick it in here too. No problem. Okay. In this sequence, I'll make this pause at the end. Pause at the end to not open when it finished. I need to check this play sequence on start and start sequence overlap is true. Now it closed the gate. Okay. Well, when you put it to play, check these two boxes here, play sequence on start and start sequence on overlap. Okay. Okay, now we have our gate, but in the spawner we can also call code to execute, and when this finish, when the waves finish. So let's test something now. Let's create a new blueprint here. New blueprint class, actor, select. Let's do a simple one. pp cube color. You can do a gate if you want. You can do anything that you want to do, but just for testing, let's create a simple thing. I will add cube. Okay, our cube is there, and I'll save all. In the code, I will pick this cube, and I will create a custom event to this. It will be custom event change cube color, and I'll set this material, set material. Let's set material to something. Okay, just for testing, so I do not make it not elaborated. Compile. Now we have the code to change the color, but to activate it by the spawner we need to add interface in here. So click on class settings, go to interface. Here is no interfaces, we will add here, and this is the interact interface interact events. Okay, we have our interface interact events, and I need to put code in here, an event to call interact. Actually, I can find by here events dispatcher interfaces interact events. Do it now. Click, right click on implement event, and it will call anything that we want in this code. So in this case, I will call this change color, cube color. Change cube color, okay. It's calling it here. And now we can pick our enemy spawner here, and in the actors, let me see, actors to activate, we can add one here, and we can pick the cube. Okay, I'll save all. So what we doing here is telling that spawner to, when the last wave finish, execute one command. So you can put a gate, anything that you want here, but just for testings, let's keep it simple. Oh, the gates. One wave, second wave, and now our cube is changing color. Let me test this again because it's out of this screen, and the color is not loading. Let's test this again. Okay, let's test this again. I put this cube here where we can see. So let's play. Let me pick. No. Hit close my path. IQ1, IQ2. Now the second wave, and my cube changed color. So when it changes color, you know that the code is working, so you can put anything that you want. Thank you for your support. Go to the Discord server, like the video and subscribe. Make your questions and comment. Stay tuned. Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bora! Hora do show!
Ih, rapaz.
And welcome to the unreal world.